Go. Okay, these are my ODI grips with my Goldfinger brake lever and my Animal brake cable, the original, and got a We the People stock stem with impact integrated headset, stock front rim with We the People fill-in tire, Shadow Conspiracy peg, the bit blade forks, not sure what year, Demolition PA bars, I got an Eastern Shovelhead 2008 frame with Eastern cranks with a hollow spindle. I got a stock sprocket, KMC unbreakable chain. We have a Animal Hamilton pedals with yeah, and then we have the brakes, Tektro brakes with Odyssey gel brake pads. I have a Sputnik seat post with a Sputnik seat, and then in the back I have a stock back rim with a Maxxis M tread tire, and then I have these little blue valve caps, and that's it.